Good morning. Today we begin Essay Revision Station 4. So this is the second most crucial revision station. The most important one is reading your essay aloud. And as someone who has written more essays than I can count, reading an essay aloud is the best way to catch errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, flow, and transitions. So please finish all of your other stations before moving on to this station. This is your final revision station before meeting with me, okay? So watch this explanation video that I'm creating right now to help you. So let's open up revision station 4. And I'm going to read it to you, and then I'm going to show you how to revise your writing. So it says, the English language has over 170,000 words. The beauty of having this many choices is that you can find the exact word choice to make your writing articulate and precise. So you need to find at least one word in every paragraph. So at least, that means you can change many words. I suggest you guys work on it, but at least one in each paragraph that is either repetitive, boring, or unclear. You can use a thesaurus, a friend, or find a better, more precise word choice for each. You can do this through these words. So look for transition words. If you don't have these, please add them. And if you do, make sure the transition words are varied. So that means like, first I will talk about, second I will talk about. That's very boring, okay? So let's use this document to improve your vocab and complete Station 4. The first page is not a suggestion, the first page on this document. So let's go there. So let's see. Okay, so the first page says, do not write about your writing. These phrases should not be in your essay, period. There should be no I thinks and my opinions. My opinion is, I'm going to tell you, the reason why, the reason. By that I mean what I mean. As you can see, this paragraph is about, we know that you are going to write this essay. So everything that you say in this essay is already your opinion, already your thoughts. So you do not need to tell us what you're thinking while you're thinking it, because your paper is already your thoughts. Hopefully that made sense. Okay. So these are suggestions that can help you make your essay better. So I like to click on this little guy right here. It'll take you to a separate section. These are synonyms to change saying in conclusion. You can say categorically, finally, overall. Anyways, this is a good way to change your conclusion so you're not literally saying in conclusion, okay? So that's on the top of all of these. This is description. A lot of teachers say showing versus telling. Don't tell me, show me. And this is what we're talking about. Here's an example there. Here are some sentence starters to help you. So if you are adding a new idea, you can use these. If you are showing cause, if you are showing contrast, words that emphasize, how to say but better. Informal writing versus formal writing. Informal should not be in your essay. You should only have formal words. So the rest of these, the majority of them, are informal versus formal. So if you have informal, you need to try to change those. Instead of saying because, way better, change these. Change your becauses. Linking words to help you, in addition, in comparison, contrast. So this is good for your compare and contrast essay, period. There you go. Instead of saying very sad, very shy, very whatever, here are way better words for that. for persuasive essays to connect the paragraphs. This is really good for your paragraphs. If you struggle with transitions, go to this page. This is page, I don't know because it's covered. Page 9. Yes, there's 13 pages here, and that's okay. Because you can go to the page that you need to work on. So if you suck at transitions, that's all right. We got these guys. Again, if you tend to write informal instead of formal, I've given you 3 or 4 charts to help that. Okay, so again, revision station 4 is making sure you do not have any of these words or phrases in there. Helping you, you can change instead of saying in conclusion, use this little button. If you struggle with sentence starters or transitions, or you say but a lot, go through these. Focus on 1 or 2 things that you want to work on with varying your vocabulary, and use these little things to help you out. I hope that helps. All right. Good luck.